You have. It's
Huh? Hope you like everybody watching you shower.
Is there a shower bed?
Nope. I assume that's tinted.
If you're gonna, no, it's not. It's just. Pool chairs. Nice. Yeah, really. You want
No shrimp.
no shrimp? You
No,
want
no, no shrimp.
No shrimp.
On the egg.
I think they still got shell on them.
No, I want it.
Looking at the ones.
Yeah, I want it.
I'll sit down.
Yeah.
You can get smoothies or gruel. She never showed me. It comes in a baggie.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, oh, that's a big drink.
Yeah.
Look how big the cup is. You're gonna need a lid. She's gonna want to sell you something too.
Hello.
How much is that?
45.
After 3?
Yeah.
Oh, I think it was 45 each, and I was like, oh. Okay, well, I'll try it for that. We are a mess.
What's that? Oh, that's the roll.
A rice paper.
Okay.
Nobody's going to show us how to do it. Oh no, there's enough for 2. Is this what we're meant to be doing?
I don't know. Looks like you seem like you're doing the right thing. What a prize.
Yeah, it's spicy. Chili sauce.
Hello. Oh, no, thank you.
Hello, you.
Hello, sir. You want barbecue? 50.
Oh, no, thank you.
Oyster.
We're going to go see the
Octopus.
we're going to go see the dragon. Oh, yeah, big stick of something. Stick of meat. Oh, you want to paint something?
Did you that when you were a kid?
Yeah. You want to do painting?
I don't know if it'll get home, but
Ah, yeah. If you want to go to the bridge, we've got to actually go.
I want to throw this out, but it's sucking out bits of passion fruit.
Back up the street, I suppose.
Ok, mọi người cùng nhau nắm tay với nhau.
The police is just hanging around. Oh, belt. No, you need a wallet. The 50 for 100 for the double, the extra. Pineapple.
Not quite loud enough, I don't think.
For banana. You got pineapple? Not pineapple?
It needs to be obnoxious.
Yeah, but ironically obnoxious.
Right, I see what you mean.
What is that? A lighter or is it just a...
I think it's just a key chain.
You know you want it.
Hilarious.
Yeah. Alright. That one or you...
Yeah, I'm good. I'm happy watching.
Good time, ruiner.
Go on. Go on. Go on.
Look at these Thanos on it.
I know. It's got the right insignia on it.
50,000.
Namoi.
Okay.
What's that?
50,000.
50.
No, it's not about the price. I'm just trying to see if the stones are right. I'm looking for details, man.
Oh, okay. You're probably in the wrong country.
So that's got the right detail there. I'll take that.
But it's not the right colour, is it?
In the right light.
In after the first time it turns into that colour anyway. See the gold or
He's
that
going to put it in a baggie for
gold.
you.
Oh, hang on. Yeah, I'll grab that.
But look at these little bad boys. And noodle balls.
Oh, we've got one of this. That's our one.
What's
At
that?
home.
Pick holder.
Ah,
I think we gave one to your mum too, didn't we? Or my mum.
Your mum, I think.
that's not it. That's not, I don't want to pull out all the cash. I have to. That's why I don't want to pull out all the cash, but
But you don't roll it up like that.
well, I don't know how to manage cash.
What are you looking for?
Just give him 100 and he's got change.
Do I even have 100 though? No. Hang on.
You're making this all look very painful. Thank you. No, done. It's done.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, our gift to you.
Damn it.
Thank you.
Hang on.
Thank you.
What do I buy you guys now?
No. We'll, around next time.
Yeah.
We'll show you.
You want the coffee?
Do you want an ice cream? Go on.
Maybe.
Oh, they got coconut.
Coconut.
How is it?
I think it's got old flavour on the top. Pointage good.
What, 12 mini or 13 mini are the same, aren't they?
13 mini iPhone.
What's the
13.
Muy ba.
Where bar? Oh no.
Yeah, you got 12 mini.
Yeah. What do you have, Bapsal? Bapsal with the corn.
Oh, what now?
Bapsal. Oh, you want to eat the pizza? Mami Noon.
Yeah, it tastes about the same thing, yeah. You guys want one?
No. No, I will watch you eat it.
Right, no.
Oh, I know we...
What's in it? Just pork? No, what's in it?
It's just flat.
Pork, yeah, flat that.
It's got the shallot, pork floss.
Sausages, I think.
It looks like sausage.
I think it looks like sausage.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, let's sort of sausage here, this one.
Alright, cool.
A boomstick.
One, okay. Thanks, man. How much is it?
I want to try the other
Cow Lao.
My phone.
My fun.
Yeah. I'm pretty full though. After the 8,000
Sausages.
hot dogs.
Just one.
Because I would have had the lunch now.
Yeah.
It's alright. Feels you bung me, but like deconstructed.
Yeah, banh mi pizza.
Yeah. Did you want to sit down or do you want to eat on the run or?
I thought you wanted to grab something else to eat as well, so
Oh, well,
find a common place and that's it.
no.
I don't think you like it.
Yeah, it's from me.
You can't go wrong, can you?
Yeah.
Look at the two kinds of mango. Same, but you might screw up. Surely that's what we had on the train or something.
Ubering back?
Yeah, we'll get to the main road.
Yeah.
Oh, frogs.
Frog legs.
Should try the frogs.
Have you tried them?
We'll do them.
Little chicken.
Hello? Oh, no. Already eaten. No.
That's
Next time.
this side.
The big one, yeah, it's good. It's a good looking one.
Nice tail and that. Probably about lobster.
Right down.
Hello, you.
No, thank you. There's frogs there. I don't know what it's called. Huh? That before? Oh, it's skinned?
Yeah.
You want to eat it?
Not right now.
No.
Beheaded frog.
I'll show you the video. Did you say ribbiting?
I did.
What about a mini chicken?
No.
I can't eat that when I see something like that.
Yeah. Well, frogs have got bones on them too.
Kem đây, bò bía ngọt đây.